All right, howdy everybody. I got my my caps, my brass caps, my PEX caps. So here I am. I'm going to be shortening these down. I got to figure out how low I want to go because I'm going to be putting my PEX adapters on, and then I want to figure out where I want to run, where I want to drill my holes. Right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cap both ends of my hot cold, and I'm going to solder some adapters on there, my copper to PEX adapters, which I have to find. I know they're over there somewhere in that heap. I know, look at that. That thing has been so handy, but yeah, it's a mess, I know. So that's what I'm going to do. And also I want to get this done. I want to get my PEX adapters on here. So I need to figure out how far back I want to cut my pipe and where I want to drill my holes. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next little while. Alright? So I'll tell you what, I'll leave you with that shot and I'll come back when I get some more done. Alright, stay tuned, more to come.